Is a method used for sorting a data value by consulting its neighborhood. It is used to eliminate the noise in a given data. We'll look at an example. Let's consider this values which we have got. These values are erroneous values. Now we are going to try to reduce the error from this value. So there are three types of binning. The first one is equi-depth binning. The second is smoothing by bin means, and the third one is smoothing by bin boundaries. We'll look at the first one, which is your equi-depth binning. It's quite easy. Now before I start with it, always remember, whichever be the type of binning that you're performing, you should ensure that the data value that you're getting is sorted. That should be your first step. In this case, we already have the values in a sorted manner. Now in equi-depth binning, what we do is we count the number of values and we divide them into equal size bins. We usually have 3 bins. So let us count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. So if I have 9 values and I'm supposed to put it in 3 bins, it means that I should be having 3 values in each bin. So first I'll just write down the first 3 values: 4, 8, 15, 21, 21, 24, 25, 28, 34. So this is equi-depth binning. Next, we look at smoothing of the value. Smoothing is used to remove the outliers in the data. So smooth by bin means, as the name suggests, what we do is we take every individual bin and we try to smooth the data by calculating the mean of the values in those data. For example, we have 4, 8 and 15. So if you look at 4, 8 and 15, the mean is 4 plus 8 plus 15 divide by 3, so it is 9. So we calculate, so 9 becomes the mean. In smoothing by bin means we take the mean of all the value. For the second one, it is 21 plus 21 plus 24, so it is 22. Similarly, we calculate the mean for the third one. For the third value, the mean is 29. So this is how you perform smoothing by bin means. The third type of binning method is smoothing by bin boundaries. Now when I am talking about bin boundaries, I look at the 3 extreme values of the bin. So let us look at the first bin. It has the extreme values are 4 and 15. We look at the values in between, and whichever is the closest, you replace it with that particular value. So I'll start with the first bin. I'll write 4 as it is because it is the extreme value. The second value is 8. 8 is closer to 4. Hence, we replace 8 by 4. When I say closer, what do I mean by this? If you look at 4 and 8, there's a difference of 4 values, and between 8 and 15, there's a difference of 7 values. So, the closest is 4, hence we wrote it as 4. And then again, we write down the extreme value as it is. The second example, again 21, 21 and 24 as it is because 21 similar values, and then these two are the extreme ones. Looking at the next one, 25, 28, 34. We'll write 25, the extreme value as it is. Now 25 and 28, the difference is 3. 28 and 34, the difference is 6. So we replace 28 by 25. That's it. Thank you.